Good afternoon. Today we are going to see the questions which are from May 2019, part 1. Now you can go to playlist, and in this playlist you will see you have M3 Unit 1 13 videos you can see in this playlist M3 Unit 1. So around 60 to 70% part that is covered in this. And unit number 2, so here we have covered 90%, only one method that was remained, which is Rangakutta method, fourth order. Otherwise, all parts we have covered in this. Then you can have the strength of materials, that is mechanics of structure, strength of materials. In this, you can have unit 1, first 3 videos, then you can have exercises, and that is more than sufficient. And then you can have fluid mechanics, some videos are uploaded over here. So now we will go draw shear force and bending moment diagram for beam loaded as shown in figure. So we have total load, this will act over here, which will be 10 into 4, and which will be 2 meter on this side, 2 meter on this side. So take moment about D is equal to 0, and we have RA into 8 minus 20 into 6 minus 10 into 2 into 2 equal to 0. And then we will get from here value of RA, that is equal to 160. So this comes, so we have value, just a minute. So part 9 we have, and value we got 25 kilonewton. Just check it. So we have 20 into 6 plus 10 into 4 divided by 8. So we have this 20 kilonewton, 10 into, sorry, this is 10 into 4 into 2. So 10 into 4 into 2, and then this value comes 25, 120 plus 10 fours of 40 plus 280 divided by 8. So yes, 25 kilonewton. Then apply Fy0, and then we have Ra minus 20 minus 10 into 4 plus Rd equal to 0, and we will get Rd, that is equal to 35 kilonewtons. So Ra 25, Rd 35. So Ra we have 25 kilonewton, Rd we have 35 kilonewton. Then we will go with shear force. So shear force. Then we have first left of Ra is 0. Then we have a right of Ra, and that value we have 25 kilonewton. So we will simultaneously plot it. So we have 25 kilonewton. Then we have left of B. So left of B value will remain same. No change we have. So we have 25 kilonewton. So 25 kilonewton. So actually here we have 25 kilonewton. Then we have right of B. Right of B. And we have 25 minus 20 is 5 kilonewton. So we have 5 kilonewton. Then at C we have no change, no load, so it is as it is 5 kilonewton. So we have 5 kilonewton. And then left of D, left of D, we have 5 minus 10 into 4, and that is minus 35 kilonewton. So minus 35 kilonewtons. And then we have right of D, 0. Right of D is equal to 0. So we have right of D 0. Now you can see here no load, we have x to the power 0, x to the power 0, as here x to the power 0. So we have x to the power 1. Now we have to find out shear force 0 point. And then we have this value, we can come from right will be better. So we can have this 35, this is x, and this we have 10 meters. Sorry, 10 kilonewton per meter. And then we have 35 minus 10 into x equal to 0. And x we have 3.5 meters. So we have value. This value is 3.5 meters. So as automatically we will get this value that is equal to 0.5 meters. So likewise, we have to solve the problem. So this is SFD. Then we will go with BMD. So now we have bending moment. Bending moment. We have first at A, 0. Then we have at B, then we have at B, this is equal to, now we have 25 as a reaction, and 35 we have this reaction. So 25 into 2. So we have 50 kilonewton meter. So we have 50. We have x to the power 0 over here. So here we have x to the power 1. Then we have at C. So you can come from left or you can come from right. 25 into 4 minus 20 into 2. And we have this is 100 minus 40. 60 kilonewton meter. So we have 60 kilonewton meter. And then we have shear force 0, that is M max. And we have 3.5 meter from here. So I will consider that part 35. And then we have 3.5 meters. And then we have, then this will be 10 kilonewton, 10 into 3.5. And it will act at center. So 3.5 by 2. And then we can write M max 35 into 3.5 minus. So as we are going from right, so clockwise minus, anti-clockwise plus. And we have this value that is equal to 61.25 kilonewton meter. So we have 61.25. And then we have last at D, we have value 0. At D, we have 0. So likewise, we have to draw the diagram. Then you can see this is x to the power 0, x to the power 1, x to the power 1, x to the power 2. So likewise, we have to plot this SFD BMD. Then we have, this was second question, draw SFD BMD again. So we have this as VA and this as VB. So now we will take moment about A0. equal to 20 into 2 into 1 plus 40 into 2, because we are generally not taking moment about overhanging. So into 4 plus 20 into 5 equal to 0. And from this we will get value of VB, that is equal to 45, sorry, VB we have 55 kilonewtons. Then apply Fy0. So we have VA plus, sorry, minus 20 into 2 minus 40 minus 20 plus VB equal to 0. And from this we will get VA 45 kilonewtons. So VA 45, we have VA 45 kilonewton and VB we have 55 kilonewtons. And now we will go for shear force. So we have first left of A, we have 0. Right of A, we have 45 kilonewtons. Now we will plot it, 45 kilonewton. Then we have third, left of D. So we have 45 minus 20 into 2 equal to 5 kilonewtons. So we have 5 kilonewton. You can see we have x to the power 0. So it will be x to the power 1. Then we have a right of D. So right of D we have 5 minus 40 and it comes minus 35 kilonewtons. So we have minus 35 kilonewton. Then we have left of B. Left of B we have same, no change, minus 35 kilonewton. Then we have a right of B. Right of B equal to minus 35 plus 55, and that is equal to 20 kilonewton. So we have 20 kilonewton. Then we have left of C, 20 kilonewton, no load. And last we have right of C, that is 0. So 20 minus 20 equal to 0. We do not have shear force 0 between A to D, so we need not require to find shear force 0 point. So this is SFD in kilonewtons. So now we will go for BMD. So we have bending moment. Bending moment. Now we have first at A we have 0. Then we have at D. So we have reaction 45 kilonewtons. So we have 45 into 2 minus 20 into 2 into 1. So we have this value 50 kilonewton meter. As we have this SFD x to the power 1, so automatically it will be x to the power 2. And then we have to find at B. Now you have choice at B. If we will go from left, so we have 45 into 4 minus 20 into 2 into 3 minus 40 into 2, and we have 90, 180 minus 120 minus 80. So it comes minus 20 kilonewton meter. Or I can come from right. I have simply at B clockwise, so minus 20 into 1 minus 20 kilonewton meter. So it is easy instead of taking all this, and likewise we will get BMD diagram. So as in SFD we have this as x to the power 0. So we have x to the power 0, so we will get it x to the power 1 in both cases. And likewise we have this SFD BMD for May 2009, question number 5. So now we will stop here only. The remaining part we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.